Hello, this is Blue Leader, and we're here in Yorba Linda, California, where they have a total of 8 superchargers. Let me give you my initial impressions of the supercharger and surrounding areas. Initial thoughts: you're right off the 90 freeway, few miles away from the 57, so if you have to get here, you're gonna go through knee-deep of OC suburbia. So that's that. Initial feelings, nothing outstanding. This is your basic outdoor strip mall, but there seems to be a lot of great places to eat. It's a Sunday, and a lot of people are here to get some of their favorite Sunday morning eats. Initial concerns, not very concerned. Like I said, you are knee-deep in Orange County suburbia, so this is a safe place to get supercharged over here. Thank you so much. Please continue to show the support by hitting the like and subscribe, and if you know anyone that wants to hang with us, make sure you share the content over with them. Thanks a lot, and hang tight for the guest review.
This particular area convenient for myself. It's got close freeway access. It's obviously Yorba Linda is a main road here in the city of Yorba Linda, so it's pretty much nearby any and all things that you would need. Eateries, there's all type of retail up and down Imperial Highway nearby. There's even In-N-Out Burger, which is within walking distance. If I need a full charge, I will go down and maybe grab a coffee or something at McDonald's. There's also Stefano's right nearby. I go there often. They've always been polite and kind. If I want to go in and get a sandwich or a soup or even use their facilities, it's always very nice there. At nighttime, there is the Lone Wolf over there, some type of eatery and brewery. There's a lot of people that are in there in the evening hours.
Now I'm wondering, if there was no supercharger here in this parking lot, would you still come back to this parking lot?
Probably not as often. So that's it's good that they do have the supercharger. And I will mention, the one thing I look at when I choose a supercharger is I'm looking for something that can give me an opportunity to either pick up a bite or use their facilities.
Do you plan on keeping your Tesla for a long time?
I do plan on keeping my Tesla for a long time.
Do you drive it around a lot?
I do.
Now, what's the furthest road trip you've taken your Tesla Model 3 in?
I drove to Las Vegas.
How was the ride?
The ride was fantastic. Actually, I didn't even need to stop and charge the whole way.
Very good. If your Tesla Model 3's battery ends up draining, would you replace the battery?
I will cross that bridge when that comes, based on the expense and based on if they can lower the cost of these batteries.
What would be a good price for you to replace the battery?
Under $1,000. Can we ever get there? I don't know.
All right, thank you so much. Do you have any final words of wisdom for the people out there before we take off, Sam?
Well, I drove a car that was a V8 that had a large gas tank, and basically every time I went into the gas pump, I was looking at $125. I do believe we can do better on the pricing at some of these Tesla superchargers. I know there's high peak times and there's low peak times. I'm hoping they'll also design where they can have so many clients and customers that they can get the prices even to come down more.
That sounds like a great ask for the future. Thank you so much. We'll see you later, okay?
You're welcome. Thank you.
Sam, what do you think about Elon Musk?
I think he's obviously a very intelligent, smart gentleman.